He's here, opened up the shop. Looks as good as the video he shot for me. A bunch of stuff though. Old dirt bikes, all kind of stuff. My first old motorcycle. Of course, this is an S, or an SP. I can't remember, but I had a 996 just like that. This is the better one. I didn't have the. I think I had the Olin's rear, but not the front. Heck yeah, baby. Got me another Z32 twin turbo. All right, first start since he sent me the video.
Let me know when you're ready.
Ready, brother. About 2 weeks ago. Good. Ready to go on that beast. All right, strap down. I forgot to film it before we closed the back, but it's strapped down. I think I got the key in my pocket. I hope anyway. Locking it up, get ready to tow it out. Coming down off a big hill here in New York. There's scenery out through there. Well, I don't know if you see it so much for having an enclosed trailer because it was leaking from up there all over the car. See if I can zoom in. This car's got salt and shit and grime all over it. Look at the windows. So much for keeping it clean. And the window was open over there the whole time. But I checked I felt it and it didn't feel like it got wet, so. Well. You know where the adjuster is, right? Yeah. Straight back, don't move the wheel. Straight back, straight back. You're good. Just come straight back. When you get to the bottom of the ramp, I need you to just be easy with it. Come on back. All right, hold right there. So just start backing it down just a little bit, and I'll tell you whether we need to have anything else happening with it. You gotta get all the way to here before I'll know. Actually, all right, go ahead. Wait, hold on. Yeah, keep going. All right, good. Just back it a little bit up there, and I'll tell you what. Let's go ahead and put it in the driveway and walk back down here if you want to. Walk the
6225.
250. That's exactly the mileage he sent me when he sent the. He never drove it another mile. He said it hadn't even been cranked. So dirty as hell from being honest. Yeah, just leave right here that way, man. I can see it in the condition it's in, as far as the video. I'm gonna let her drive my car before I've even sat in it. Bought the car on auction, went to pick it up, didn't sit in it, let the guy that brokered the deal load it, and then she gets to unload it and drive it.
What do you want it?
I don't know really. I guess just park right here for right now, and then we'll.
Where do you put it, down here?
Yeah, just park right there, I guess. Or go down the cul-de-sac and park right behind here. Make it work well. Man, I can't believe the thing got that dirty, but it should spray off pretty nice. All right, well, that's the first drive and the cold start and everything. And I hadn't even sat in it.